So, we had an outage for a service that's not currently on our map. Sadly, this was our documentation website. Let's look at how to add this to our map so our team can view the health. Here, we're going to give it a useful name, something that can describe the service and other people will understand it, but this can also be changed later. It's really not a big deal. Once that's committed, we're going to do the most important thing, which is add a service level indicator. We're going to browse the open source community. We're going to find something that's useful. We're going to pick HTTP OK, which looks for a 200 response in a desired target latency and basically returns a 1 or a 0. If it's 1, things are good. If it's 0, things are bad. Once our commits are ready, we're going to merge them, which will then actually push these into the map. But first, let's create a group. We don't actually have a group that suits this service yet, so we're going to build a new one. And here, we're going to call it User Resources, just in case we want to have other services that belong to that group as well. Once those changes are committed, we can actually go review the map and see our new service. Now we don't necessarily like where it is, so we're going to go into construction mode and we're going to drag that around the map to position it closer to our business critical group. This is because this is user facing and we view everything on the left hand side as something that is generally user facing. Now we can see our SLI, we can see the return value and the health of our website. Maybe we'll add an SLO to this as well. Now, since 0 is bad and 1 is good, we're going to say that this should be greater than 0 95% of the time. Once we're ready to commit our SLO, we can push the change. And when we return to the map, we can see that our new service has an SLI and an SLO. And there we go. We've added a new service to our map for our team to be aware of and to understand whether it's up or down. In a couple weeks, we might look at task sets, but this is good enough for now. Thanks for watching, and reach out to us at runwen.com for any questions or access to the platform.